Your Excellency, Captains of Industry, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, mine is to paint a picture on how the construction industry will deliver 500 incremental jobs by implementation of the affordable housing pillar. Your Excellency, today our construction industry consumes about 200,000 jobs, but just with the implementation of the affordable housing pillar, we have the potential to create an additional 500,000 jobs just from this one pillar. And this is not just, going to affect the building and construction sector, but Your Excellency, will be creating a new population that has disposable income, that will pay taxes, that will eat the food from the agricultural farms, that will use the borders, and singularly, this is the one sector that can unlock the opportunities in the economy. And I'll just want to paint a picture using the worst case scenario, only using building cost. At an average of 60 square meter per unit of affordable housing, using only a construction cost of 40,000 Kenya shillings, knowing that today the construction cost is anywhere at around 60,000 shillings per square meter, Your Excellency, we have an opportunity to generate 600 billion shillings to the economy with this one project. And this is excluding the income and revenue that will be generated by the manufacturers as their capacity utilization increases, and that they're able to now go into the export market. This is just incremental as a result of the affordable housing pillar. Out of this, 180 billion shillings is likely to go to the fundis, the contractors that are local players in our industry. And if we look at the building materials complement, this is about 420 billion shillings. Out of this, if you assume 70% goes into local manufacturing, 250 billion shillings will go into local manufacturing of building products. Another 170 billion shillings will go into imported products, which are businesses that are run by SMEs and MSMEs. And I am saying this as one who has actually gone through this journey. And ultimately, we'll find that at an average, 500,000 jobs will be created. Using all the linkages that you can see there, we'll be able to impact on the fundis, we'll be able to impact on the value chains of business, our retailers. These are our hardware stores. These are all the retailers and distributors. We'll be able to create direct jobs within the manufacturing members of the institution of Kenya Kenya Association of Manufacturers. And ultimately, Your Excellency, I believe that just unlocking this one initiative is going to impact on all the pillars of the Kenya Kwanza initiative, because we will cascade jobs, we will cascade economies, we'll open up the pockets for our Kenyans, and we will impact 7.5 million Kenyans directly. So thank you very much. Mine was simply just to demonstrate why there has to be serious focus on implementing the building and construction, opening up building and construction sector through this one incremental opportunity of affordable housing.